In this video, I will be talking about pattern reading for embroidery. Our beginner embroidery kit featuring the artwork of Arounna Khounnoraj has a pattern that is both printed on fabric that you will stitch directly onto and also includes a paper pattern. So I'm going to be talking about the paper pattern. These are the original pieces made by Arounna, and when you are working right from the original pieces, you can look in and see exactly what kind of stitches Arounna worked. But since you will be creating these at home instead of having these at home, we've actually labeled the beginner pattern here with exactly which type of stitches from your sampler and the tutorial videos Arounna used in the different components. And that way you will have this, even if you were to gift these to somebody else or frame them and hang them on your wall, you will still have your paper pattern, which can be used over and over again. Your fabric pattern has the colors that you can follow and all of the outlines, but is not labeled with the exact type of stitches that were used. So you're going to want to work with your paper pattern and your fabric pattern together. This will be in your hoop and you'll stitch right on top of it. This will be nearby so you can follow exactly which stitches are being used. So when you're looking at this, you will be able to see not only the stitch type, but also whether or not it is a fill or an outline. And that's true for both of the patterns here. A lot of embroidery patterns are just presented as outlined line work like this. And one of the great things about presenting an embroidery pattern this way is that you actually will be able to make this pattern over and over again. So if you had another piece of fabric that you wanted to recreate this on, you can see this line work really easily through a light color of fabric. So you could make this here, but let's say you wanted to reproduce this project on a tablecloth or on the back of a blouse or on just a piece of white fabric to use as a patch. You could use a pencil and a backlight, or you actually may not even need a backlight if your fabric is light enough, and you'll just create the exact same pattern right onto the fabric, and then you can stitch this pattern over and over again, or you could save it for a rainy day. And that's it. Keep your pattern somewhere safe so you can enjoy it again and again and have fun.